Imagine tiny pieces of innovation that silently solve your everyday problems. Today, I'm showing you 30 genius Amazon gadgets you never knew existed. But once you see them, you'll want them instantly. Let's get started. Ever wished your kitchen sink stayed clean without effort? This clever hanging strainer with a disposable mesh bag catches food scraps instantly. No clogged drains, no mess, no touching dirty leftovers. Just clip, strain, and toss. It's simple, hygienic, and surprisingly effective for everyday kitchen cleanup. A tiny accessory that feels like a smart upgrade. Struggling with stubborn jar lids? Say goodbye to wrist pain and frustration. This manual adjustable jar opener grips even the tightest lids and twists them open effortlessly. From pickle jars to sauce bottles, it handles all sizes with pure mechanical power. No batteries, just smart ergonomic design that does the hard work for you. Annoyed with hair blocking your bathroom drain every other day? This ultra-fine bathroom sink strainer quietly does the dirty job for you. It catches hair, soap residue, and tiny debris before they sneak into the pipes. No tools, no hassle. Just place it, rinse it, reuse it. A tiny silent guard that saves you from big plumbing troubles. Imagine pouring soda like you're at a mini beverage station. This upside-down soda dispenser flips your bottle and turns it into a fun. No spill tap, no shaking, no fizz explosions, no heavy lifting. Just smooth, mess-free flow every time. Perfect for parties, kids, and honestly, adults who love cool gadgets too cool sparkles. Some spaces in your home feel empty but useful, right? This self-adhesive corner shelf turns forgotten corners into premium storage instantly. No drilling, no tools, no damage. Just peel, stick, and snap it in place. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, balconies, or even beside your bed for skincare, plants, or small daily essentials. Strong adhesive, sleek design, and surprisingly sturdy, this shelf is proof that simple upgrades can make your space feel smarter and more organized. Cutting watermelon shouldn't feel like a gym workout or a messy mission. This stainless steel watermelon cutter glides through juicy slices with smooth, controlled motion. No wasted pieces, no sticky hands, no uneven cuts. Just roll, scoop, and serve picture-perfect cubes in seconds. It's clean, clever, and honestly, it turns fruit prep into a satisfying little moment of kitchen magic. Cleaning ears the old school way. Not anymore. This ear wax removal kit brings a smarter, safer, and more controlled method to personal care. With soft silicone tips, gentle pressure flow, and a built-in catch system, it helps clear wax without the harsh poking or risk you get from cotton buds. It feels clean, looks hygienic, and yes, very satisfying to use. Personal grooming, upgraded. Meet the little laundry helper that brings old school scrubbing into the modern world. This silicone washboard sticks firmly to your sink or tub with strong suction cups, letting you scrub collars, socks, and delicate fabrics without slipping. Quick stains? No problem. It's compact, reusable, and surprisingly powerful for everyday laundry touch-ups. Clean clothes, zero fuss. Why struggle with a knife when you can peel and core apples like a pro? This clever tool grips the apple, spins smoothly, and removes the skin and core in one twist. Perfect for snacks, pies, and meal prep. Fast, clean, and oddly satisfying to watch. Fresh apples, zero effort. Ever had a tiny tear ruin your favorite outfit at the worst moment? This handheld sewing machine is your instant rescue tool. Compact, lightweight, and incredibly easy to use. It lets you stitch hems, fix seams, and repair clothes without pulling out a full machine. From travel emergencies to quick home fixes, it's a pocket-sized lifesaver for fabric mishaps. Handy, fast, and surprisingly reliable for on-the-go stitching. Cutting veggies shouldn't feel like a full-time job. This 5-in-1 handheld mandolin slicer gives you razor-sharp precision with adjustable thickness settings. Slice, shred, julienne, grate, all with one compact tool. It's fast, efficient, and finger-safe thanks to the protective holder. From cucumbers to cheese, this little powerhouse turns prep time into smooth, chef-style slicing every single time. Sometimes, a tiny upgrade makes your bathroom feel instantly smarter. This suction cup shower head holder adjusts to any height or angle. Perfect for kids, seniors, or hands-free shower routines. No drilling, no tools, no commitment. Just stick, lock, and enjoy personalized water flow wherever you want it. Whether you're rinsing your hair, washing pets, or cleaning the shower, this little gadget brings pure convenience to everyday bathing. Scrubbing floor or grout on your knees? Not anymore. This long-handled grout brush gives you powerful scrubbing force without the back pain. Its stiff-angled bristles dig deep into grout lines, tile edges, and stubborn corners most regular brushes miss. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, and floor tiles that need a deep refresh. Tough on dirt, gentle on you. Cleaning just got smarter, not harder. Summer heat? No stress. This portable neckband fan wraps around your neck and sends a cool, refreshing breeze wherever you go. Hands-free. Lightweight, quiet, and designed for comfort. It's perfect for travel, workouts, walks, and even working from home. No more sweaty days. Just switch it on and stay effortlessly cool on the move. Running out of space but hate bulky storage boxes? These collapsible bins fold flat when not in use, and pop open instantly when you need them. With sturdy walls, secure lids, and a clean minimalist look, they're perfect for clothes, toys, pantry items, anything. Smart storage that adapts to your space, not the other way around. Typing on the go just got way easier. This foldable wireless keyboard slips into your pocket yet opens into a full-size typing setup in seconds. Ultra-portable, sleek, and Bluetooth ready. Perfect for travel, cafe work, and quick productivity bursts anywhere. Work smart, type smarter. Tight entryway, small apartment? No problem. This vertical narrow shoe rack is designed to fit those awkward corners and slim spaces where regular racks simply don't work. It stacks upward, not outward, holding multiple pairs while keeping the floor clutter free. Lightweight, breathable, and surprisingly stable, it keeps your shoes organized, visible, and easy to grab on the way out. Space-saving done right. Cleaning outside windows used to feel like a risky circus act, especially for high floors. But this U-shaped glass cleaning wiper changes the game. Designed specifically for sliding windows and balconies, it lets you clean both sides safely from inside your home. Smooth gliding blades, a secure grip, and an extendable handle make it easy to reach corners you'd never dare touch. Sparkling glass, zero danger, smart, safe, and super satisfying to use. Say goodbye to kitchen clutter and digging through bags for potatoes and onions. This rotating vegetable storage trolley brings clever pantry organization right to your fingertips. Each tier spins smoothly, giving instant access to veggies, fruits, snacks, even kitchen essentials. Ventilated baskets keep produce fresh, wheels make it portable, and the slim vertical design saves precious space. Practical, stylish, and a total upgrade for busy kitchens. Food going stale too quickly? This portable mini vacuum sealer locks in freshness instantly. It removes excess air from bags, keeping snacks crisp, veggies fresh, and leftovers safe for longer. Compact, USB rechargeable, and super easy to use, it's perfect for lunch prep, travel, and fridge organization. Small gadget, big savings, and freshness that actually lasts. A mosquito coil doesn't have to look messy or unsafe. This sleek mosquito coil holder keeps the coil elevated, burns evenly, and catches the ash neatly. No tipping, no burns, and no random ash everywhere. Safe for indoor and outdoor use. Stylish enough for your living room, tough enough for the balcony or garden. Ever open your wardrobe and feel like everything's there, yet nothing is actually findable? This 7-grid storage organizer brings instant structure to your clothes. Perfect for t-shirts, jeans, towels, kidswear. Each slot keeps your outfits neat, visible, and easy to grab. No more digging, unfolding, and making a mess again. Lightweight, foldable, and unbelievably satisfying for wardrobe makeovers. It's organization therapy that turns chaos into calm, one fold at a time. Grocery runs just got a smart upgrade. This expandable shopping bag transforms from a compact tote into a spacious rolling cart in seconds. With sturdy wheels, reinforced handles, and a foldable design, it saves your arms and your time. Perfect for supermarket trips, farmers markets, and daily errands. No more struggling with heavy bags. Practical, stylish, and built for modern everyday life. Tiny kitchen shelf. Too many spices. This stackable spice rack organizer brings hotel-level order to your seasoning collection. Tiered layers let you see every jar at a glance, while the compact, stack-as-you-need design maximizes vertical space. No more digging for the oregano or knocking bottles over. Just clean, efficient, chef-friendly access every time you cook. Organized kitchen, upgraded cooking. Picture this. It's early morning, you're half asleep, and stirring your coffee feels like a task. The self-stirring mug is here to save the day. Just press the button and watch your coffee, tea, or protein shake blend itself to perfection. No spoons, no mess, just smooth, effortless mixing. Perfect for busy mornings, office desks, and travel vibes. Sip smart, live smart. Say hello to the stainless steel spoon straw, the coolest upgrade to your drinkware essentials. It works as both a spoon and a straw, making it perfect for smoothies, milkshakes, cold coffee, juices, even soups. Durable, rust-free, and totally reusable. It saves plastic and looks stylish too. Great for home, office, cafes, and travel. One tool, double convenience. Smart, sleek, and sustainable. Upgrade your bathroom comfort with these toilet seat cover pads. Soft, cozy, and hygienic. Designed with plush material and adhesive backing, they stick firmly to your toilet seat and give you a warm, cushioned feel every time you sit. Washable, reusable, and easy to install. They're perfect for winter days, kids, and anyone who values comfort and cleanliness. A simple touch that makes a big difference. Transform your living room in seconds with this L-shaped sofa couch cover. The perfect blend of style and protection, made from stretchable, wrinkle-resistant fabric. It hugs your sofa perfectly, giving your space a fresh, elegant makeover. Spill-proof, pet-friendly, and super easy to install or remove. It instantly upgrades your decor while keeping your sofa spotless and new. Smart, stylish, and oh so practical. Meet the 2-in-1 dumpling press maker, your shortcut to perfect momos, dumplings, and ravioli every single time. Press, fill, fold. Done in seconds with no messy edges or uneven shapes. Its ergonomic design makes sealing buttery smooth, turning homemade snacks into a restaurant-style treat. Fast, clean, and absolutely satisfying. Your kitchen just got smarter and tastier. Turn your daily shower into a mini spa moment with this body and foot scrubber with suction cups. Just stick it to your wall or floor, add soap, and enjoy a deep exfoliating scrub without bending or stretching. It massages, cleans, and removes dead skin, leaving your feet and back baby soft and refreshed. Self-care made simple, every single day. Running out of storage space? These vacuum storage bags with an electric air pump are your ultimate space-saving hack. Just pack your clothes, bedding, or winter jackets, attach the pump, and watch everything compress in seconds, freeing up tons of space instantly. Perfect for travel, seasonal storage, and small homes. Plus, the airtight seal protects from dust, moisture, and insects. Smart, neat, and clutter-free living, made effortless. If these gadgets made you go, wow, hit that like button and subscribe for more genius Amazon finds every week. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, stay inspired.